Okay, so I'm going to help you give you some ideas on how to do problems number 1 through 7. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to split my screen. If you don't know how to do a split screen, up here where it says help videos, you can click on the one that says how to do a split screen, or you can click on this one, which is the Duelist app, which is really neat. It's a Chrome extension from Chrome. And what it allows you to do is it will, you just have to click a button and it'll split your screen, and there's different ways that you can split the screen. So that's very cool. So that's a way you can split your screen. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start there by splitting my screen. I already know how to do it, so I don't need to watch the videos or get the extension. Okay. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open right here. It says read about the scientific method by clicking here. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that, and I'm going to finish doing my split screen. Okay. So now I have them side by side. And what you're going to do is you're going to read the information right here, all of this, to answer questions number 1 through 6. I'll show you how to do number 7 in a second. So number 1 through 6. So it starts up here. Question number 1 says, what is the scientific method also called? So I just start over here. It says the scientific method, aka scientific process. So that is what it's also called. It's called the scientific process. So I would type that in here. Next, it said, what is the scientific method? Well, it says right here, the scientific method is an organized way to answer a question or solve a problem. So that information right here is what I need to type in here. So again, all you're doing is reading this information and answering these questions. Now, when you get down to number 7, though, it says that you have to answer the first round of questions. So what you do, here it is. Here's the first round of questions. And you are going to answer these questions based on the information above, based on what you learned, okay? So you're going to use all this information that you just learned and read about, and you're going to answer these questions. So it says right here, directions, fill in the missing words. The scientific method, aka scientific what? Hopefully you remember. This is what? It's also known as scientific process. So you fill in the information again from above, okay? So that's how you're answering these. I'm just going to make stuff up right here. So after you finish that, I'll move this down right here real quick. We'll move myself over there. You can go ahead and you are going to click this button to go to the next problem. And same thing. You'll click on these, go to the next problem, click on these, go to the next problem. And again, use the information above to help you figure this stuff out, okay? Now, I also want to mention that once you're done and you've gone through all these questions, eventually it'll look like this. Okay, it'll look like this where it says, are you finished? Do you want to submit it? Oh, one other thing I forgot to mention is you can also check to see if your responses are correct by clicking check on each problem that it has. So you can see I didn't do these right, so I want to retry these. You want to get the best score that you can possible for these round of questions. You want to get 100% because literally you can retry. And again, so you're just reading the information above, reattempting the problems if you get it wrong. Once you're done, you'll click finish and it'll tell you your score. This is what you're going to screenshot. Okay. Well, actually you're taking a snippet. If you don't know how to take a snippet, again, if we look back over the video over here, if I scroll back up, it says help videos again. It says right here, how to take a snippet. So that video right there will show me how to take a snippet. So I can click on that. It'll show me how to take a snippet. I also want to mention though, when you're looking for once you do the snippet, sometimes I said it's in your downloaded files is where you can find it, but sometimes you might have to click the folder that says recent. It just depends on everybody's Chromebooks and where your file goes. So you might have to click the folder that says recent. That might be a better spot to find your little snippet. Anyways, so right here again, I'm going to take a snippet and then I'm going to copy that snippet into right here, okay, on number 7. It says put the snippet in here, all right? And that just shows your score, okay? So you're screenshotting, you're taking a snippet of your score, you're putting that in here, okay?